In this video, I'll share with you how to add your brand details into WhatsApp Cloud API. In the infographic icon, first, log into Business Account Manager. Then, go to WhatsApp Manager. Finally, you can add and modify more brand content. If you want to choose subtitles in different languages, simply click on Setting in the bottom right corner. Here you can choose a different language. First, let's go to business.facebook.com. Then, select the correct business account. Click on All Tools button. Then move all the way down to WhatsApp Manager. Select a WhatsApp account. This is the account that you currently want to optimize your branded content for, example, message to you. Then in this account, just above the phone number, find the brand name, for example, message to you, and click it. Once you enter the settings page, on the profile photo section, click Choose File button. Then upload your brand logo. I recommend a photo size of 500 by 500. If you need to change the category, then select a more appropriate service. After that, the brand profile, address, email, website, etc. You can put everything in there. Once you have finished entering the information, please click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. It will take a few minutes to take effect. Now, we click Done button again. At this point, we open our WhatsApp. Go to the back end and you will see the information we just modified in the system. Now it's here. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.